everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today I'll be discussing one very important and interesting topic, that is structure of atom. So before going to structure of atom, let me explain you about atoms and molecule. So what are atoms and molecules? So they are fundamental building blocks of matter. Can you tell me what we see around yourself? Yes, we see many things, right? What do we see? We see tables, chairs, laptops, mobile phones, etc. So what does these things are made of? So these things are made of very tiny particle, that is atom. Then we all know Dalton. Yes, he proposed that atoms are very little particle, so they cannot be divided into small pieces. Yes, so they are indivisible. Yes, so but later some experiment shows that some small particles coming out of an atom. So this small particle is called subatomic particle. So now it was established that some atom is not indivisible. Yes, so what Dalton told, these things was proven wrong. Okay, so these subatomic particles, there are three types. So what are these three types? These are electron, proton, neutron. Yes, so now very question arises as how we came to know about the structure of atom. Yes, so this is known from different experiment done by our scientists. Yes, so J.J. Thomson was the first who proposed a model for the structure of atom. What he proposed? He proposed that atom consists of positive charge pair and electrons are embedded in it. Yes, positive and negative charges are equal in magnitude. So as a whole, atom is electrically neutral. Alright. We all know watermelon, right? So we can compare this watermelon with an atom. Yes, Thomson's model atom. Alright. So in watermelon, the red part is like the positive charge in the atom, and seeds that embedded on the watermelon is like the electron on the atom. So that's all about the Thomson's model. Okay, so now later one scientist named Ernest Rutherford came with his gold foil experiment. So what he wanted? He wanted to test if the model proposed by the Thomson is correct or not. Yes, so in his experiment is done by using gold foil and alpha particle. So for alpha particle, he used a radioactive element like a radium. So what is radium? So radium is naturally decays and emits alpha particle. So he thought, and he enclosed it on a container with tiny opening, and what he got? He got a beam of alpha particle, and that's all about the alpha particle. So what he did with this alpha particle? He bombarded it on a gold foil. Then what he realized? He realized that some of the alpha particle went straight to the gold foil. Yes, some of them bounced back. Yes, and some of the alpha particle deflected at a large angle. Alright, so now he came with some important conclusion based on what he saw, and he realized that Thomson's model could not be correct. Yes, so now let's talk about the conclusion about the Rutherford model. So Rutherford concluded that when some of the alpha particle went straight to the gold foil, there must be some empty space on the atom. So through this empty space, the alpha particle went straight through this atom. Yes, the second thing is that some of the alpha particle bounced back. So there must be the dense center at the atom. This dense center is also, we know, that nucleus. Alright, for the nucleus, some of the alpha particle bounce back. Yes, third thing is that some of the alpha particle deflected away from the nucleus. We know that alpha particle consist of positive charge, and we also know that opposite charge attracted and same charges repel each other. So when alpha particle deflected away from the nucleus, this shows that at the nucleus is the center is the same charge as the alpha particle. So Rutherford concluded that at the center, which is also known as nucleus, there must be the dance of positive charge, where positive charge consists in a center. So this conclusion is pretty much accurate for the atom. Atom is mostly the empty space, and nucleus there consists of positive charge. So that's all about this topic. Thank you.